Hi friend! Marian Santos here at Potentials.com. Signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is Hope in the Light. Yung Bible verse natin is from Matthew 4 verse 16. So, you who spend days shrouded in darkness can now say, we have seen a brilliant light. And those who live in the dark shadow land of death can now say, the dawning light arises on us. So the sharer today is si Brother Mike Viñas of East Alabang. So sabi niya, history says that the enemies of Israel wanted to attack Jerusalem, would march through Zebulun and Naphtali. So dun sila nagko-convene or nag-assemble. So these enemies would oppress these two towns. So they bash, they bully yung Zebulun and Naphtali. So sabi ng mga townsfolk of that place or people of that, why us? Why us? They're after Jerusalem. We're just caught in the crossfire. Why is life unfair? So friend, ikaw na-experience mo yan, parang feeling mo is things are, kumbaga, ano ba ang term dyan? Napapag-initan ka or nadidiscriminate ka. Kasi bakit of all people, ikaw lang yung laging nakikita or napapansin or nababash nga or nabubuli. But Jesus did two things in these two towns. He lived there in Nazareth and worked there in Capernaum. Both are in Galilee, in the regions of Zebulun and Naphtali. By living and working there, Jesus redeemed those places. His life became a light to the people in darkness. Friend, are you going through darkness? Are you in Zebulun or Naphtali? So yung Zebulun and Naphtali naging symbols of difficulty or hardship. So story today ni Father Mike. The light shines in you. Jesus lives with you, shares your path, and weeps with you. And He will work in your years to perform miracles in your life. Yan, friends. So, when the Lord is with us, yung mga darkness na place is nagkakaroon ng light. We feel we are not alone. We are protected. We are comforted by the Lord. So, ang reflection natin today is, what areas of your life do you feel attacked? What are the unfair injustices you're going through right now? Surrender them to the Lord and let Him defend you and deliver you. Friend, lahat tayo, we have that place or time in our lives na feeling natin we are discriminated or parang the Lord forgot us in some ways or more ways than one. But hindi, just continue to pray whatever the difficulties, and one day you will just realize that hindi ka pinabayaan, that they're always there to guide you, to bring you up, to lift you up, to give you the hope that you need in order to reach yung destination ng mission niya that is given to you. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.